Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace interior lights in your Ram 1500. First, gather your tools, such as a plastic trim removal tool and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have the correct LED replacement bulbs for your specific model. Before starting any work, always disconnect the negative terminal of your truck's battery to prevent electrical shorts and ensure your safety. This crucial step protects both you and your vehicle's electrical system. To access the overhead console lights, gently insert your plastic trim tool into the seams and carefully pry down the console cover. Once loosened, you'll need to unclip the electrical wiring harness connected to the console before you can fully remove it. With the console free, twist the old bulbs counterclockwise to remove them. Then, simply insert your new LED replacement bulbs by twisting them clockwise until secure. For the door panel lights, look for small access points, often near the bottom edge of the door. Use your trim tool to gently pry out the entire light housing. Once the housing is out, you can easily access and replace the bulb. Similarly, for the footwell lights, you'll typically find them by twisting the housing counterclockwise to release it, allowing you to swap out the old bulb for a new LED. After replacing all the bulbs, reconnect the negative battery terminal to your truck. Turn on your vehicle and test all the new interior lights to ensure they are functioning correctly. Carefully reinstall all the trim pieces and console covers, making sure they snap securely back into place. For other great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.